welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're doing a review on the Swagtron EB7 Ebike. We're going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to ride it around and give you a review and tell you how I like it or don't like it. I am not compensated by Swagtron, but if you want to, you can. Today we're at Thousand Trails Orlando Campground. It is absolutely beautiful outside. If it wasn't for all these stupid love bugs, it would be the perfect day. Thousand Trails is also not a sponsor of mine, but if you want to, you can. So let's get started with the unboxing. The only tools you're going to need to put this bike together is a good pair of scissors. Right?
Yep.
Now the bike weighs 42 pounds, so make sure you have two people help you get it up onto a countertop, unless you're like, "Arr." Okay? So go ahead and clip, clip. By the way, the best price we found was on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below if you want to purchase your own Swagtron EB7. Seat, instructions and charger, trash, quiet on the set please, we're trying to film, okay? And there it is. See how small that folds down to? It'll fit right in your cargo bay or the back of your truck or in your boat hole or even in the back of your car if you just want to take it to the park. Now we're just basically taking all the protective stuff off of it. Now these come in two colors. They come in black and red, as seen here, and they also come in a white and teal blue, which my wife has. Now it says you can get up to 18 miles an hour in mode 3 on this bike. There's 3 modes with pedal assist. So if you're trying to get up a hill and your little motor's going, you can help pedal it right up the hill. Weight limit on it is 265 pounds. Whoopsie! I kind of beat that, so we'll see how far we really can go and how fast we really can go. Takes about 3 to 4 hours to charge. And you're supposed to go, how far did it say you could go on this thing? Like 15 miles?
I think so, or 16 miles or something like that.
And of course, that is, of course, you're like 150 pounds, so I'll probably get like 3 miles, but thank God you can pedal it. Don't have to carry this thing back. Boom! That's it. Now we'll take the wrapping off the seat and we'll put it all together. Or should I say unfold it, because that's really all you have to do. So you see how small it is? Hold on, I got a love bug on my leg. Annoying. Get off me.
They are all over me.
They're so
too.
annoying. You should see the front of the camper and the front of the truck. Whew. All right, so you pick it up. Open it up like this. See this clamp right here? There's a little thing you push up, pull it back, lock it in. Now it ain't going anywhere. Take the handlebars, put them up like this. Another one of these little clasps, lock it in right there. It has a little kickstand back here. Ow, and you hit your head on it. Look, yeah, dirty. They can accommodate a person about 6'2" or 6'3", but man, it's already funny enough when you see a fat guy like me riding on it. Wait till you see somebody at 6'3" try to ride this thing. Now, unhook the top here. Put this where you want it. There's a little computer screen on here, which I'll show you. Lock it into place. Now the pedals, you just push them out. And that's it. The bike's ready to go. Just plug it in, charge it up, and go have fun. Now you have a little set of keys here. When you have this opened up, the battery's inside of here, you put the key in and you can pull the battery out and put it back in, which I'll show you later. That way, when they do start selling the batteries separately, you can go buy a couple of them and have them just go as far as you want. Put them in a backpack and go. What do we pay for these bikes?
$5.99.
Found them for $5.99. That was the cheapest price we could find. So if you find it for more than that, don't get it. Go to Amazon. I'll put the link below, like I said. Get your own for $5.99. People over there talking about their YouTube channel over there. Guess that's what us RVers do. We make videos. Speaking of, if you're enjoying my video, go ahead and hit that little red button down in the bottom corner. Don't forget to hit the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. Somebody told me it sounds like I said my new videos. You don't want to see that. All right, you see this little plug right here? That's where you plug it in and charge it. Or again, you can take the battery out, whatever you want to do. Now give it a couple hours and we're gonna go for a ride. Now the tires, they are not inflated, so you need to inflate them to 40 to 65 pounds. Since I'm a bigger guy, I'm going 65 pounds. To turn on the bike, you hold down the power button for 2 seconds. Display comes up and you can see you have your speedometer, your odometer, see we've already gone 8 miles, mode that the bike's in, and how much power is left in the battery. You have the plus and minus. If you hold the plus down for 2 seconds, the headlight comes on. It's a pretty bright headlight too. Hold it down again, turns it off. In mode 1, you get 11 miles an hour. Mode 2, you get 13 miles an hour. Mode 3, you get 18 miles an hour. Of course, the faster you go, the quicker the battery drains. Bring the modes all the way down to 0, and now you pedal the bike as normal, but it has a display, so you can see how fast and how far you've gone. Another great feature is it has pedal assist. So if you're going up a hill, you can start pedaling the bike, and after about the 3rd rotation of the pedal, the engine kicks in and starts pushing you up the hill. Another really cool feature is if you hold the throttle down, the throttle's right here, you hold that down, and as you're riding, after a couple seconds, cruise control kicks in. So you just start going down the road without having to hold the throttle down, until of course you apply the brake. Hold it down again, and everything's off. Now this is how you get your battery out of your EB7. Go ahead and get your fancy tools because you got to take the keys off. It's just that easy. Now you pull this little thing up right here and open the clasp. And there's the battery right there. and boom, it's all folded up. Just grab the handle and put it wherever you want. That's it. So my final thoughts on the bike is this. I love the bike. It folds down super small, fits in the trunk of my wife's car. We took it about 3 miles, still has a full charge, got it up to almost 16 miles an hour. The thing's a blast. However, on the display as I was riding, it kept coming up an E30. So I got a hold of customer service. E30 means there's a disconnect between the computer and the display. They recommend I send it back. That stinks, because now I'm gonna have to wait another week or two to get another one while I watch my wife ride hers, which is perfectly fine. So I give it a thumbs up because everything's awesome about the bike, but I say it stinks because I gotta send it back because of the display. It just sucks I have to wait.